Welcome back to Everything English, your go-to channel for expanding your English vocabulary. Today's word of the day is insipid. The restaurant received mixed reviews for its insipid food, lacking in flavor and excitement. Insipid is an adjective that means lacking in taste, flavor, or interest, often resulting in a dull or bland experience. The novel's insipid plot failed to captivate readers, leaving them disinterested in continuing with the story. In this example, insipid is used to describe the novel's unexciting and unengaging plot, which did not capture the reader's attention, leading to a lack of interest in further reading. The uninspiring speech delivered by the politician was criticized for its insipid content and lack of substance. Here, insipid is used to emphasize the speech's unimpressive and unstimulating content, which was deemed devoid of significant information or depth. Synonyms for insipid could include bland, dull, and tasteless. Antonyms for insipid are flavorful, exciting, and engaging. We hope you found today's word interesting. Don't forget to subscribe for more enriching content. See you in the next video.